In this article, I read about the Arctic changes and their effects on Alaska and the rest of the United States. In this article, it stated that the Arctic surface temperatures are increasing by about 1.08 degrees Celsius every decade, and since 1979, the Arctic sea ice has been decreasing by 3.5% to 4.1% each decade. This data is very concerning because at one point sea levels will get so high that communities residing on the coast near the Arctic could potentially become flooded, a huge threat to many lives. These Arctic are vulnerable because these Arctic communities are vulnerable because surface temps are increasing. This increase in surface temps results in ice melting, which is raising the sea levels. At one point, the levels can get so high that it can flood out homes and communities. In terms of the environment, as the ice is melting, more water will enter the sea. This can alter the salinity levels in the water, which can be harmful to life in the water. If the levels change too much in respect to the sea life's acceptability, they could die off. There are not many solutions that can help the slowing down of ice melting. One thing that may help, a very generic solution, is to reduce emissions and reduce the effect of the greenhouse gas. By accomplishing this, we can prevent temperatures from increasing anymore and potentially allowing the sea levels to not rise anymore.